Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you a simple way to make passive income. This is a website which I'm going to use to make money. As you see, this is not my website, it's someone on this website, but I'm going to use entire content to make money. But I'm not going to copy and paste anything. I'm not going to make any video out of it. Just a simple method I'm going to show you guys that you can use a free traffic and you can make a passive income from it. So watch the video step by step. So if you miss something in the middle, you can't complete that entire step. So watch the video until the end. Also, if you want to win a 10-pound PayPal money, watch the video until the end and leave a like. Before that, my name is Vaji and make videos at money making, money saving tutorials. I try to upload one video every day. So watch, like, and leave a comment and share this video if you like this video, guys. So first, what you have to do, you have to understand what kind of affiliate product that you want to promote. So I am starting second website, or I'm starting on hosting. So I want to promote a hosting related affiliate offers. So one of the best hosting site is called Bluehost. If you promote their offers per sale, you can make $60, guys. Per sales you can make $60. If you make it 10 sales, you can make it 600 per month easily. But you can use entire free traffic method. First, what you have to do, you're going to go to this website called Pinterest. Again, you are not going to create a simple pin and just put the link. No, this is completely a different step. You're going to add a call to action button for this website. Actually, you don't own this website, I don't own this website, but you can repeat this method for different websites. You're going to add a call to action. You're going to redirect traffic from this website to your affiliate product, affiliate offers, guys. I'm going to show you entire method. First, what you have to do, go to your Pinterest account, business account, and click this analytics section. Then you have to click this one called trend in the bottom of the search on the analytics section. After that, on the trend, you need to search the specific product that you want to promote. In this case, about blog and blogging. So I search blog, and so you see this is the blue line. There's a trend for that. Then it's a blogging, there's a trend for that keywords, and this for USA. Then you can do UK and Canada. Because of this Bluehost offer, you can promote anywhere you want. So these are some of the country I want to promote. That you can see that there's always is a trending, and these are the pin that getting more attention. So if you click open these pins, if I click this, these are the pin will be displayed when you search a blog or blogging on Pinterest. You can see these are the pin are getting more attention, which mean whenever the people search for blogging, they will click these pins and get into the traffic to this website, right? Your pin won't be appear because they are getting more attentions. Now what you have to do, click open one of these pins. So I'm going to open this first pin. As you see, this is the first pin, and if I click this is the website is opening up. Okay, so what is now you understand, you find your affiliate product, you find the pin, and you also find the website, the pin lead to that website, right? So what you have to do, you could go to the website called Canva to create exactly, you copy and paste this pin, but you're going to modify it a little bit different. As you see, you can say I just put how to start a blog. It's the same thing they put it on here, how to start a blog, and to make a full-time income. I change a little bit to make this one called how to start a blog, make full-time income. I put a little bit animation rather than picture. This is an animation because you can upload MV4 file on Pinterest, and videos always tend to convert better than the pictures. So I download that. After that, this is the crucial part of the video. What you have to do, you need to upload this pin back to Pinterest. So you have to go to Pinterest here, and you need to upload your pin, right? So create and click create pin, and it will open this page, because you're going to completely create a new pin and new board for your Pinterest account, because it's only about blogging and blogs. So you can promote blogging related topics inside this board. So this is the section you need to upload your pin, which you already downloaded, which you already made it on Canva. Copy that, open up here. So this is the pin, open up. You need to add the title. You're gonna copy and paste exactly what they written on here, that you how to start a blog and make money, easy guide to start blogging. You're gonna copy that entirely same thing. After you exactly copy and paste his title, then go back and copy and paste the entire description. Then you copy and paste it on here. Then you need to add hashtag, so you need to add like blog and see what. So there's a blog design education, then you can say blogging, then select a couple of hashtags related to your affiliate program, so education, blogging tips, something like that, right? So can I do a thing, one more we can add here, design and blog, something like that. Now you need to add a destination link. So if you go back to their pin, if you click this one, and it will open this page for their destination link, because they are driving traffic from your Pinterest account, their post. But you don't have a post, or you don't have a website to promote. What you're going to do, you can exactly use this link, this post, but you could add your call to action button on here. How you can do that? There's a magic website for that. This website is called exitball.io. It's a free version and paid version that there. With the free version you can't see the analytics because it's only for the pro version, but with that you can add a call to action button on the post. So basically what you have to do, you have to copy and paste this link here and on here, then you can add a call to action button and you can put affiliate link there. So and it will bring a shortened version of this blog post, right? You could put that in your Pinterest post. Whenever people click that, and it will pop up with the affiliate offers, then you can click it. I can show you, I can walk you through entire tutorial. So this is your dashboard gonna look like, because I already did a couple of them. Now you have to click this one called create a new link. When it open up, so you have go back and copy this post that you want to promote, right? Copy that, go back to the here and paste it on here and click go. After that you need to add a certain information. You need to first add what is this about. So I'm gonna put copy and paste this one, how to start blog. This is the link name for that. This won't appear in front because it's for the backend, right? So you can select what you want, a banner, a product pop-up, or product card, a direct, or word. I'm gonna select simple pop-up and click next step. This is where you can fill entire information, which I already done that in this different thing. So I'm gonna copy and paste the same thing. So on the title of the forum or pop-up or heading, you're gonna put the best web hosting, limited time only. That's a title. Then you're going to fill this information like a free domain, free SSL certificate, and 24 support, and starting $3 per month. Because only here, so this is the blog post they wrote about hosting, but you see they talk about $2.99 per month, but they didn't put any affiliate in here. So this is the best way that you can get a free traffic from this website. Now what you have to do after that, you need to select adjust the width and height of that. So I can say with this 700 times 200, okay, something like that. So if you go to 700, and yeah, that's it, 700. After that, with using, you can select the color of the text, font of the text. After that you need to put button text. What is the button text that you want? So I can basically simply put get start now. Put that, and you're going to put your affiliate link, which is you're going to copy it from ClickBank or Bluehost, whatever the affiliate product that you are promote. Copy and paste it here, and if you come down to bottom and click preview, and this is the pop-up will appear in front of the website. So if you click this, or there's one more thing you have to do is, this is the section you can put center, left, right, or in the center. I'm going to put with center. Now come back here and click preview. This is the pop-up will appear. Then you can set up the delay time, how long you want to appear, and something like that. You can go and check it out here and click this one on the next step. After you understand about animation, background, and everything, generate link. This is a shortened version of the link. Copy that link, right, and click preview, and it will open up a new shortened version of that post. Just that you can see from here. This is the blog post, and the pop-up will appear in a minute. So this is the blog post, and this is the pop-up appear, the best web hosting, limited time only. This is the pop-up. If they click that, it will take to the affiliate offers. So what you have to do now, copy this link, go to your Pinterest post. This is your destination link, right, and paste it here. and you need to create a new board because we are promoting a new affiliate product. So create board, and you're gonna put blogging and create it. That's it, guys. Now what you have to do, you need to publish at least 5 to 10 pin per day on the same topic about blogging. So you don't have to do anything, just go to Pinterest and find the pin. The pin like this ones are working best. They are getting more impressions and traffic click every single day. So what you have to do now, you just copy that pin and create a little bit using Canva, and you're going to use the same website they are promoting. And what you're going to do, you're going to add your own pop-up call to action button there, and you're going to get the traffic. You're going to redirect, because you are providing value, you are giving value to the customer. At the same time, you can promote your affiliate offer. So see, there's no issue with the publishing this pin, and my pin is published on here. Now let's see the pin is working or not. See, this is the pin we just created here, and if you click open this, it will redirect to our new website, which is our website with a pop-up button added. Now you can see URL is different, and the pop-up will display it in a minute. You can see they can just click close, and you can say, that's why I said you can delay the time so people can read the blog post. Then you can, after a couple of seconds later, the pop-up will appear. They can click start now, and it will redirect to that Bluehost, and if they sign up for that, you're gonna get paid. And remember that you can't just expect to make money with one pin, one affiliate offers. Just create a couple of pin per keyword or per affiliate product or offer that you want to promote. So basically for the blogging, I have to create multiple pin, but you don't have to do anything. You don't have to spend many hours writing blog posts, because these articles take quite time to write articles. Okay, you don't have to do that. Just you're gonna use their orderly published post, and you're gonna add your own whole call to action button, and you're gonna promote your own affiliate offers from it. And again, this is the free version here, that you can go with a pro version if you start to make money, because pro version you can get to know about analytics of the link performance. Guys, I hope you understand this. Another way that you can make with affiliate marketing. Again, this method works worldwide. You can promote any affiliate product you want, and you can make one sale per day. With that, you can make $500 to $1,000 per month from this method. Thanks guys for watching. If you really like this video, leave a like, leave a comment. If this video get 100 likes, I will do the giveaway on the next video. Until then, have a good day. See you next video, guys.